iQOO has launched the iQOO 15T in China as its latest performance-focused flagship smartphone. iQOO 15T in black, white, and gradient colors. A 6.83-inch flat 2K LTPO 2.0 AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of up to 6,000 nits. The iQOO 15T will become the first smartphone to feature the Dimensity 9500 Monster Edition chipset globally, positioning it as a top-tier flagship rivaling Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 devices, featuring a 200MP primary sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide lens, along with a 32MP front selfie camera. A standout 8,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which would be the largest in the iQOO 15 lineup, supported by 80W fast charge. The 12GB plus 256GB model is priced at 3,799 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.